Hey, it's Eric here with CAD Avenue, and today I'm going to be doing the first video in a series we're going to call What's New in AViCAD 2022. So the first thing I'm going to show you today, and I'm going to keep these videos around 5 minutes each, is a little bit about dynamic distance, which is new to AViCAD 2022. So if you look at the lower toolbar, you'll be able to see the icon that will allow you to turn this off and on. So just by clicking on it, allows you to deactivate it and activate it. And then if you right click on it, choose settings, you'll be able to deactivate certain tool tips, I guess you could say. So in this one, this is just the pointer input. You can change the settings here. You can always show the input settings even when you're not in a command. Here you can turn on and off any combination of readouts, and then in this one you'll be able to change the look and feel of the tooltip. So let's just start out with a line just to demonstrate. And so it's going to ask you right at the command prompt, you'll see the readout. Now this is a lot like previous versions of AViCAD, but as you'll see, you're going to get a little bit more options as you go. So here you have the actual dimension visible to you, and then you can override this like so. And then here, as we go to the next point, if you press your down arrow, because it says next point or, so when you see that, press your down arrow, and then you're going to be able to put whatever you want as the input in. So here I'm just putting in the angle. So I'll just choose 45 for this, and the length of line, let's just go 8 again. So as you can see, it's quite helpful to have. So let's look at the polyline command as the second one. So PL for polyline, and again we're just going to start off the same way, and again, we have the option, and we can go to an arc here. So let's just choose that, and then draw our arc in 1 foot, let's say. And we'll do, I don't know, let's just do another 45. There's the rectangle, which is a little bit different. So in the rectangle, we just get the width and the height. Again, we can tab over to the different dimension fields and type in what we need. There's the circle command. Again, it's just a matter of looking at the readout. Now here again we can tab down and do a diameter instead of a radius. Let's just go ahead and do that. So the diameter, let's just make that 8 inches. Now I'll show you a few 3D examples. Let's go into the Southwest isometric. Let's do a box. First corner box. So it's a lot like the rectangle command. And then it's asking you now here for height. So let's just give it a height of 3 inches. Let's just do a cylinder. So the cylinder command is the cylinder command is CYL. Again, this is a lot like a circle, but then we're going to have the height option, just like the box. For my last example, let's just go ahead and draw a 3D polyline. So that's just 3D poly, and it's a lot like the 2D poly, but then you're able to go up in a true Z direction here. Just be sure when you do so, I always like to turn on my ortho just to keep things straight. Again, when you press your down arrow, you might see some options. So this one allows me to close that 3D poly. Stay tuned for more videos about the features you'll find inside AViCAD 2022, and have a great day. Bye.